Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the event calendar shortcode on your WordPress website. So first of all, go to Plugins, click on Add New and search here the event calendar. So you can see the event calendar here. Click on Install Now.
After installation, click on Activate the plugin. Now search for another plugin, Event Calendar Shortcode. In the search results, you can see the Event Calendar Shortcode by Cool Plugins. Click on Install. After installation, click on Activate.
Once you have installed the event calendar and the event calendar add-on, you can see both the plugins over here.
To add an event, go to Events and click on Add New. Here you can add an event. Let's say Event 1. Add the description for the event. Under the date and time settings, select the start date and an end date up to which your events will be displayed on your WordPress website. From here you can select the time zone for your event. Under location, you can add the venue name, the venue address, and other details for that particular venue. In the organizer, you can add the organizer's name, the phone number, and other details of the organizer. Under the event website, you can add the URL. Once you are done, click on Publish.
Now to display a particular event on your page, go to Pages, click on Add a new page, give the page a title, and now click on this Add Block option here. Search for event calendar and from here select event calendar shortcode. Click on Publish and view the page. Now you can see two events on your WordPress website. Now if you want to change the layout, you can go to the event calendar shortcode setting here and select the timeline layout, and let's select the style to second style. If you want to change the date format, you can change it from here. Let's select the full date format, and if you want to change the order from ascending to descending, you can change it from here. To show an event in a particular date range, you can add the start date here and choose the end date here, so that particular event will be displayed on your website for that particular time only. So once all the changes are done, click on update and refresh the page. Now you can see the event calendar with a different layout. Now if you want to change the title color, the color of this skin, the font color, other style settings, then go to the WordPress dashboard, hover to the event add-on and click on shortcode settings. Under the general settings, you can change the main skin color. Let's select it to sky blue. You can change the font color, the background color, and some other styles. Let's select the font color to black, the description color to black, and once you are done with your changes, click on save. Go to the page, refresh it. Now you can see we have changed the style and the colors of this event calendar. Under the extra settings, you can add the custom CSS code for your event calendar. Here you can see a shortcode attribute. This is the default shortcode for this plugin. And if you want to add some attributes, you can change the value of this attribute in this default code and paste it on your WordPress website where you want to display event calendar. If you want to buy the pro version of this plugin, go to this buy pro button and click on this link. And from here you can easily purchase the pro version of this plugin.